Welcome to the Craftessa, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and for today's DIY video, we're going to make these cute and easy Valentine's Day hearts. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, where I post super quick and easy videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the little bell button to get notified when I post new videos. Now let's get on with today's projects. For both of the projects that we're making today, I'm going to use this box of heart ornaments. They're from Michael's. I did get them last year, but I'm sure they have something similar to that this year. Then I'm going to take some of these rub-on transfers from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut some of the pieces that I want to use, and I'm just going to lay them on the hearts and rub out the images onto the hearts. It can't get any easier than that. Once we finish rubbing off the transfers onto the hearts, this project will be done. So now I'm almost done with all the hearts that I want to make, and who would have thought that just such a simple little thing would change these hearts into something completely different. Now for the last finishing touch, I'm going to add a little satin ribbon as a little holder. Maybe I'm going to hang them somewhere, but my intentions are to display them inside a bowl. And once this is done, I will be ready to display these. For the second project, I'm going to use the same heart ornaments, and this time I'm going to use these stickers from the Dollar Tree. I love that they're a rose gold and they're in floral shapes. Now, the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the backing from the sticker. It does have that little double-sided tape, and I'm just going to rip it off. And instead of putting it with tape onto my hearts, in order for it to be more secure, I'm going to attach them with hot glue. So let's continue. So now both of these very easy and simple projects are done, and I love the way that they turned out. Who would have thought that just with some stickers and rub-on transfers, it would have changed the way that these hearts completely look? Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the little bell button to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.